What if I told you the government could lower home prices, but probably never will? Think about it. Every election, every press conference, every headline says the same thing. We're working to make housing affordable. Yet home prices stay high, rents keep rising, and somehow buying a house feels harder than ever. So today, let's answer the real question no one says out loud. Will the US government ever actually lower home prices? And if not, why? Stay with me, because the answer isn't what most people expect. Why high home prices aren't an accident. First, let's clear something up. High home prices aren't a bug in the system. They're a feature. In America, housing isn't just shelter, it's wealth. For millions of families, their home is their retirement plan. It's their safety net. It's their biggest asset. If home prices suddenly dropped 20–30% nationwide, guess what happens? Homeowners panic. Voters get angry. Politicians lose elections. And politicians really don't like that. So when people ask, why doesn't the government just lower prices? The real answer is because too many voters would hate it. Next, what happens when prices actually fall? Let's rewind to 2008. Home prices did crash, and it was a disaster. People lost homes, banks collapsed, retirement accounts got wiped out. That trauma still lives in Washington. So now, whenever prices wobble, the response is almost automatic. Lower rates, stimulus, tax breaks, buyer incentives. Not to lower prices, but to stop them from falling. Because falling prices don't feel like affordability, they feel like failure. Next, can the government control home prices? Short answer, not directly. The government can't just say, "Congrats everyone, houses are 30% cheaper now." What they can do is pull indirect levers: interest rates, zoning laws, tax policy, building regulations. But here's the catch. Most of those changes take years, not months. And politicians work on election cycles, not long-term fixes. So instead of solving supply problems, they treat symptoms: first-time buyer credits, down payment assistance, subsidized loans. Sounds helpful, but what happens when more people can buy? Prices go up. It's like trying to fix traffic by giving everyone a free car. Next, the one thing that would lower prices. There is one proven way to lower home prices: build more homes. That's it. But in America, building is hard. Zoning laws block apartments, neighborhoods fight new housing, permits take years, builders still remember 2008. Everyone agrees we need more housing, just not near them. So supply stays tight, demand stays strong, prices stay high. Next, the truth no one likes hearing. Here's the uncomfortable truth. The government doesn't want prices to crash. Homeowners don't want prices to fall. Banks don't want prices to drop. The only people who want lower prices are people who don't own yet. And politically, they have the least power. So instead of prices coming down, what usually happens is time does the work. Prices stay high, wages slowly catch up, inflation eats the difference. Not dramatic, not fair, but politically safe. Conclusion. So, will the government ever lower home prices? Not intentionally, not dramatically, and not in a way that helps everyone at once. What they will do is slow things down, stabilize markets, and avoid crashes at all costs. Which means if you're waiting for some big government move to make homes suddenly affordable, you might be waiting a very long time. The real question isn't, will prices come down? It's how will you adapt to a system that's designed to keep them up? If this made you think or slightly annoyed you, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Because housing isn't just about money anymore. It's about timing, psychology, and understanding the game you're playing.